Students, this is 240th maths class. So we have two more problems on that same property. Which property is that? That 0 to a. So what is 0 to a f of x dx? 0 to a f x dx is equal to, so 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. 0 to a f x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. So try to understand. Understanding the property is so important. If the property is understood well, applying that becomes so easy. So what actually happened? What actually happened in this is, this x is replaced by a minus x. If you replace x by upper limit minus x, keep this in mind. Lower limit should be 0. If lower limit is 0, so if lower limit is 0, and we replace x by upper limit minus x, then the value of the definite integral will not change. X ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ upper limit minus x, a minus x ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. x ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ a minus x ಬರೆದಾಗ ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಅದ್ರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲೋಯರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ 0 ಇದ್ದು x ನ ನೀವು ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ x ಅಂತ ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅದ್ರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ this property is means, so lower limit should be 0 in any definite integral. If lower limit is 0, then you go for, then if we replace x by upper limit minus x, the value of the definite integral remains unchanged. It won't change. Let us solve two more problems on this same property. Already we have solved so many problems on this. Let us continue solving two more. First problem, so evaluate the following. So same, evaluate the following. Evaluate the following. So first one, so 0 to pi by 4. 0 to pi by 4. So log. So 1 plus tan x into dx. So 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan x into dx. Okay students, you denote that as I. You take that as I. So all hence evaluate problems. So to solve any problem using property, you use representation. You denote the given integral always by I. ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಐ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿ. ಎನ್ಸ್ ಎವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಐ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಐ, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಐ, ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಸೊ ಚೇಂಜ್, ಸೊ ಯು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ನಾವು. ಚೇಂಜ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೈ pi by 4 minus x. So change x by pi by 4 minus x. That is what, this is what our previous property tells us. So in definite integrals, so if x is replaced by upper limit minus x, then its value remains same. So replace x by sum of the limits minus x. We have two such properties. ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಒಂದೇ. x ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ x ಆದಾಗ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಲೋಯರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ 0 ಇರಬೇಕು, ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಲೋಯರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ 0 ಇದ್ದಾಗ, ಸೊ ಯು ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸಿಂಗ್ x by ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ x, then its value remains unchanged. It won't change, right? Replace x by pi by 4 minus x. I equals 0 to pi by 4. So log 1 plus change x by pi by 4 minus x. So tan pi by 4 minus x into dx. Now, so use tan x minus y formula. Now you use tan x minus y. I told you students, so in integration, in every problem, so the technique and everything changes, right? Don't stick to same method. in integration method varies from problem to problem. ಒಂದೇ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಬೇಡಿ. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ that this is the reason why even we practice more, so we forget soon. In integration this happens. Even if we practice more, we forget it soon. So practice repeatedly. Learning in this integration is so important. It plays very important role in every field, every science field. Keep that in mind. So you use tan x minus y formula. So tan x minus y is equal to, so tan x minus tan y. So by 1 plus, so tan x into tan y. You use tan x minus y formula. What is tan x minus y? Tan x minus tan y by 1 plus tan x into tan y. Apply that. So I equals, so 0 to pi by 4. So log, so 1 plus tan x minus y. Tan x minus tan y minus tan x by 1 plus, so tan pi by 4 into tan x into dx. So what is tan x minus y? Tan x minus tan y by 1 plus tan x tan y. You know this value very well. You all know this tan pi by 4 well. Tell me tan 45 value. How much is tan pi by 4? It is 1. It is 1. So right, I equals 0 to pi by 4. So log 1 plus tan 45. How much is tan 45? 1. So 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. You put stop for this and practice well. Now you think of finding LCM. You go for finding LCM. So tell me what is LCM of this? 0 to pi by 4. So log. So what is LCM of these two? 1 plus tan x. 1 plus tan x. Cross multiply. 1 plus tan x into 1. 1 plus tan x. Plus cross multiply this side. 1 minus tan x into dx. Tan x get cancels. So I equals 0 to pi by 4. So log 1 plus 1, 2. So 2 by 1 plus tan x. 2 by 1 plus tan x into dx. Now it is in the form of log m by n. You tell me what that log m by n is. Log m minus log n. So I equals 0 to pi by 4 log 2. So log 2 minus, so log 1 plus tan x into dx. Now you write this integration symbol separately. You write this symbol for log 2 once and you write same symbol for this term once. Means write separately. Write this integration symbol separately. Symbol ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಮಾಡಿ you make that into two integrals. ಎರಡು integrals ಮಾಡಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಮಾಡಿ. So write. Now so write. So I equals 0 to pi by 4. 0 to pi by 4. So log 2 into dx. Log 2 into dx minus 0 to pi by 4. So log, so 1 plus tan x into dx. Observe this term carefully, students. Actually this is our height. This is our question. You check that your question. What your question is. This one only. This is our question only. Nama question is I. We got back I. Bring that I this side. This is nothing but I. Minus I. Bring that minus I this side. I plus I to I. So 2I. 0 to pi by 4. So log 2 into dx. Clearly, log 2 is constant. Keep that constant outside and integrate. Log 2 is constant. Write that constant outside and integrate. So write log 2 is constant. Complete that. So 2I equals, so log 2. So 0 to pi by 4, 1 into dx. 1 into dx. Integrate that 1. Integration of 1 is x. So log 2 into, so integration of 1 is x. 0 to pi by 4. So 2I equals, so log 2 into upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit minus lower limit. Pi by 4 minus 0. Pi by 4 minus 0. Upper limit minus lower limit. Right. Now, one thing I would like to tell you, students. Pi by 4 it is completely outside. Don't connect pi by 4 and 2. You have to join ಮಾಡಿ 2 to the ಬರಿಬೇಡಿ. ಇದು ಬೇರೆ ಇದು. ಲಾಗ್ಗೆ e2 ಸೇರುತ್ತೆ. pi by 4 ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಆಚೆ ಇರೋದು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ you cross multiply this 2. pi by 8 log 2. Pi by 4 to the, pi by 4 to the 8. So I equals pi by 8 log 2. So this is your answer. So don't go for dividing 2 to the. It is not correct. This pi by 4 it is completely outside. So finally write the answer. Final answer is, so therefore I is 0 to pi by 4. So log 1 plus tan x into dx is equal to, tell me answer for this. So pi by 8 log 2. So pi by 8 log 2. I hope you understood this, students. Let us solve one more question of the same type. Let us go for solving one more question of the same type. So right. Next question is, so let us solve one more question of the same type. So 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx. So 0 to pi by 2, so log sin x dx. This is one more question, students. So you need to practice this problem also more times. Otherwise, this won't come to your mind. You cannot solve this problem easily in your exam. More practice required for this problem also. So you put this as star. So you take that as high. You take that as high. I. So right. Apply property, students. Call this as 1. Again, change x by upper limit minus x. Change x by upper limit minus x. This is not pi by 4. It is pi by 2. Change x by pi by 2 minus x. Change x by pi by 2 minus x. So we will get, so I equals 0 to pi by 2 log, what is sin 90 minus theta? Cos theta. Cos x dx. Equation number 2. You change x by 90 minus x, right? So what is sin 90 minus theta? Cos theta. Now adding 1 and 2. I told you, students, method in integration, method changes from problem to problem. Unlike other chapters, in other chapters we solve more problems under same method, but in integration method changes from problem to problem. Keep that in mind. So but learning is interesting. So learning this integration is so interesting, right? Adding 1 and 2. So this implies I plus sin to I plus sin to I. So right, you have this. Add LHS, add RHS. That is 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2 log sin x plus log cos x, log sin x plus log cos x, log sin x plus log cos x into dx, log m plus log n. So what is log m plus log n? Log mn, log mn, log m plus log n. You tell me what is that log m plus log n? Log m into n. So 2i equals 0 to pi by 2. So write log sin x into cos x. Here I use log m plus log n. Tell me what is that log m plus log n? Log m into n. So now next step is, so 2i equals 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2. So log, so multiply and divide by 2. So 2 sin x cos x. So by 2. Here I am using multiply by 2 and divide by 2. Why I am doing like that? Why I am doing like that means I am going to get a formula 2 sin theta cos theta. What is 2 sin theta cos theta? Sin 2 theta. Here you will get a formula 2 sin x cos x sin 2x. So 2i equals, so 0 to pi by 2. So log sin 2x by 2. So into dx, log m by n. Again it is log m by n. So log m by n means log m minus log n. So write 2i equals 0 to pi by 2. So log sin 2x minus log 2 into dx, log sin 2x minus log 2 into dx. So right, now write the symbol, write this symbol separately, so 2i equals 0 to pi by 2 log sin 2x into dx, log sin 2x into dx minus 0 to pi by 2 log 2 into dx, log 2 into dx. Okay, now what you people have to do, you mark this step. Here you should go for put 2x equals t. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು 2x ಗೆ t ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 2x ಗೆ t ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್, ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2x ಗೆ t ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಪುಟ್ 2x equals t. So put 2x is equal to t. You use this put only for first integral. First integral ಮಾತ್ರ put use ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಗೆ ನಾವು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಚೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅದನ್ನ. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್, put 2x equals t. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್, so put 2x equals t. This implies, so 2 into dx equals dt. So this implies, so dx equals, so dt by 2. So dx equals dt by 2. I told you so many times, students, whenever we use putta method, changing limits, we should not forget changing the limits. You should not forget changing the limits. Go for changing the limits. You change the limits. Tell me upper limit 2 into pi by 2 equals t. That implies, so t equals pi. Next lower limit 2 into 0 equals t. That implies t equals 0. So t equals 0. Substitute in that. So 2i equals, so tell me that limits are from 0 to pi. So log sin 2x has been taken as 2x के ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ t. So what is dx? dt by 2. So dt by 2. So now minus log 2. Log 2 constant actually. Log 2 constant keep that outside. 0 to pi by 2. So 1 into dx. 1 into dx. Right. Now we have small property. We have property, students. So 0 to a fx dx is equal to twice 0 to a by 2 fx dx. You use this property, students. Here you use this property. This property is not yet proved. ಇದನ್ನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. But to solve this problem, so using this property is necessary, required. This property, I should use this property. This property ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, 0 to a fx dx ನೋಡಿ, upper limit by 2 multiply by 2. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, multiply by 2 upper limit by 2 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. multiply by 2 upper limit by 2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಇದೆ. So when I go for that, I bring that into your notice. Need not to worry. So when I go for solving this particular property, I bring this into your notice. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಗಮನ ತರ್ತೀನಿ ಅದನ್ನ, ರೈಟ್, ತಲೆಗೆಡಿಸ್ಕೊಬೇಡಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ, ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಬೈ 2 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಬೈ 2 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಬೈ 2 ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಬೈ 2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನೋಡಿ. ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಬೈ 2 ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಬೈ 2. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಡೂ ದಿಸ್ ಇನ್ ಎನಿ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರಲ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ರಿಮೈನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ಚೇಂಜ್ಡ್, ಇಟ್ ವೋಂಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಮಾಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗ. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್, ಯು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ದಟ್. ಸೊ 2i is equal to, so 2i is equal to, so right, 0 upper limit by 2 multiply by 2. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದು. ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಬೈ 2 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಬೈ 2. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್, ಸೊ ಲಾಗ್ ಸೈನ್ ಡೆಫಿನೈಟ್ ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಟಿ ಇದೆ, ಟಿ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ. ಇನ್ ಡೆಫಿನೈಟ್ ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರಲ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಲೌಡ್. You go for changing that sin x into what? So dx by 2. I hope you are understanding. ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಟಿ ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಈ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಟಿ ನ ಡೆಫಿನೈಟ್ ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್, ಸೊ log 2 into integration of 1 is x. So limits are from 0 to pi by 2. Limits are from 0 to pi by 2. So 2 get cancels. You look at this one, sir. What actually this one is high. ನಾವು ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಮಗೆ ಹೈ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. This is nothing but your question itself. 0 to 90 log sin x dx. So we are getting back high. This is high. So right, 2i equals, you bring that I this side. So 2i, this is I. Bring that I this side, minus I. 2i minus I is equal to minus log 2. So upper limit minus lower limit, pi by 2 minus 0. Again I am giving warning. Don't link 2 and pi by 2. Pi by 2 is completely outside, 2 is inside. You have to link ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. So ಅದೇ ಬೇರೆ ಇದೇ ಬೇರೆ, ರೈಟ್. ಇದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ. So right, 2i minus I is I. So I is equal to, ಹೇಳಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? minus pi by 2. So log 2. So this completes solving of this problem. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಇದು ಮುಗಿತು. ಐಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ. So right, ಐಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ. So what is that I is? Therefore 0 to pi by 2. So log sin x into dx is equal to minus pi by 2. So log 2 minus pi by 2 log 2. I hope you understood, students? So these are the problems about this property. So in the next class we shall discuss new properties and n value problems related to that. We shall stop this. Thank you.